Hi, hello. Hello. I'm going to test whether whether it's working. Okay. Okay, it's working. That's good. And I'm going to bring out a phone to test whether I can hear myself. Right. Okay. Just wait a bit. Okay. Let's go to. Okay, my channel's called like Code with William Jeremy. Code with William Jeremy. Yeah, good. So, yeah, I can see it's live. Hello, hello. So, yeah, I can see it's live. Okay, good, good. I can actually hear myself. So, I'm going to get the link. A quick post at my Twitter account. Okay, yeah. So just wait a bit. Let me quote this. Okay, I already reposted. Okay, let's get started. Yeah. So I did not have time before. Okay, and yeah. So I want to. I want to go through the SwiftUI because I did not have time before, and I want to focus my my recent energy to go through SwiftUI, make some app, make some like updates on my Patreon account because yeah, I got a Patreon account right here. Let me just bring you guys to this. And let me just refresh this. I got a Patreon account called Code with William Jeremy, and I decided to update this Patreon account recently, and I lower all the membership to just one tier. Okay, just $3 a month. Recently got 0 members, and I really, yeah, I'm going through a financial difficulties. So that's the reason why I start, yeah, put efforts on Patreon. It's just members. There is no like a paid members right now. So this tier, and I'm going to share all the source code as well as the commercial use. I believe it can be a little bit attractive because other people may just say they share the source code, but they did not like specify tell you that you can use commercially. And yeah, for me, you can, as long as you join the Patreon and you download the code, you can do whatever you want with it. But there's like disclaimer. Okay, so I'm not going to like maintain the code for you. Okay, I just provide the code as it is. Okay, so I add a disclaimer. But yeah, you can use in your personal project, or you want to like use commercially, it's fine. Okay, and right now I already update like a lot of code here, and I change to different collection. So yeah, I can write like multiple platforms. So write Chrome extension, SwiftUI, Android, iOS, and Godot, Unity, all that. So yeah, it's like a $3. You can get all this project from different platform. Okay, so yeah, just want to quickly go through this, and yeah, let's get started. So yeah, so basically I want to go through all the components of SwiftUI, because previously I don't have that time to look at the documentation, even like look at the official website. Okay, so I don't have that amount of time, and things. I'm traveling, by the way. I'm at the hotel. So yesterday or the day before yesterday, something like that, I made a stream of my art channel. I did a lot of sketching, and yeah, so I think it's a good time to do a little bit coding as well. So yeah, it's really convenient, by the way. Okay, so let's get started. And all the code I'm streaming will be available on my Patreon. So I will make it like a modularized all the code and made available at my Patreon. Okay. All right. Let's get started. So first component will be yeah, I already named it. It's called a button. So let's get started. So button, like the basic button right here is something like this. Okay, button, action, code. Okay, so you can just say print something out. Okay, print this is a button. Okay, and you have press it, something like that. You can run this. Sound icon badge. Okay, why do I have these notifications? Okay, oh, I'm like using a lot of resources, so the encoding overload. Yeah, sorry, I'm using a let me just get rid of this Pro Max and run this. So this way, I should be able to run this. Okay, that's good. Just wait for it to run. Yeah, by the way, I got a website called Learn Free. I believe I can I just open that learnfree.com. Okay, I can do that. So can I just update? Okay, all the components. Oops, SwiftUI. Okay, buttons. So basically, you can do some button like this. And let's go back here. Oh, still installing. It's really slow. Okay, while it's being installed, I believe I can look at the preview here. And it's just really slow. give me something. Okay, click it, and this is the button. Okay, so click this button, we can execute the code in between. We can show a text of default. Okay, this is a default button. Okay, this is a default. Okay, something like that. If you run that this time, it will run quickly. Okay, this is default button, and click. This is like a default button, right? Really simple one, and okay, so we can also change the button to like destructive button. Okay, so let me just the end of the button here, it will be a destructive button. Okay, and I'm going to say print. This is a destructive button. Alright, so if I run that, it will just give me a destructive button. Okay, and if you look here, the destructive button will have a run style, okay, because it's destructive. Okay, we click it, we'll have a print out the code here. This is destructive button, and yeah. So okay, and we already got this like a destructive button, and let's add more. Okay, so let's add like a say a lot of button. What about a cancel button? And I'm going to print this as a cancel button. Okay, really simple one. Refresh that. I think a preview I can also like bring it out. Okay, so refreshing is building, still building, really slow right now. Okay, cancel button, and if you look at here, the cancel is got like a bigger, bolder text than the default button. Okay, yeah, pretty good. And what about here? You can add a button style modifier at the end, so you can get something like this. Okay, so you can say this is the button this is a button with a plain button style. Okay, do something like this, and of course we will refresh here, play, but it will not execute the print code because it's just a preview. Okay, so yeah, this is the cancel button. And this button with a plain button style. Okay, good. And yeah, sometimes you can change the button style. Okay, so just say exact same button, but you can change the border style to button style to borderless. So there will be like no border, and borderless bottom style. Okay, run. And it seems that the borderless bottom style do not have a lot of like effect. Okay, so like a really plain. Okay, I think it's as same as the plain one, but on the contrary, if you are like using the bordered button, you can do something like this. Let's print here so you guys can see it clearly. This border button style. So you can add borders, regular size, and border shape automatic. Okay, run that, you can see the results. Oh, that's weird. I don't seem to find a bordered. So here. Okay, so that's a little bit weird. Why it's not showing? Okay. Bottom style. Okay, I already got this bottom. Okay, I know. It shouldn't be here. So like a button, it should like a trailing here, right? Okay, yeah. So this is like a wrong. Sorry about that. Borderless, bottom style plain. Okay. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, silly for me. Oh, okay. run this. Yeah, that's more like it. That's more like it. So plain. And borderless. With bordered bottom style. Pretty cool. Okay, did I run this? Yeah. Plain, still a button. You can click it and execute code. So basically, button is like a tab with HTML. With a like hyperlink, okay, but instead we'll just jump to another page. It will trigger a sort of code that you can execute, right? So yeah. And bordered, we can change the style of the border. So basically, just change some modifier of the button, like here. We got bordered, but change that to bordered prominent, and it should be here. Print button with border button style, but more prominent. Run that. Okay, so essentially just using highlight the color. Prominent color, if I may. So yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good. And of course, you can not completely customize the button. Okay, okay. Let me just show you. Here, button here. Right, and you can have a customized button style. So the button, okay, this will be, this is my custom button with the custom style, something like that. They can rest a little bit without like, yeah. Right now, let's say excellent connection. Software go live. Okay, it seems just to me. Oh my gosh. Why the heck? It seems just to me. Okay, so it seems to me I can relax a little bit, just do what I always did while coding. And view is 0. Oh my gosh, that's I got 33 impressions, and it's just me. Okay, so yeah, doesn't really matter that much. Okay, let's continue, and yeah, I think this is just me, so I can relax, chill. So yeah, let's just write a custom button. Okay, so basically, custom button is we're using style to control the button. So okay, this is my custom button, and say print this some code. Okay, custom code, something like that. Okay, and you can execute code here. But what is important is that you can add a modifier. Sometimes people love to write this way. Okay, doesn't really matter. You can say that the button style. You have a custom button style, and dots. We can make a custom. Okay, right now there's no custom button style. So you're going to make your own custom bottom style. So I believe I can add in a public struct here. Okay, and custom bottom style. That's good. And public font make body configurations. Okay, and some view. That's good. And configuration. That's good. Dot label a view that describe the effects of pressing the button. Yeah. And you can have a custom font weight, font width, font design. Yeah, you can get all that. Just to add all sort of modifier. Weight, width, font width. Okay, you can do all sort of. Yeah, come on, give me something. Yeah, you got an idea. Font width. Okay, expand it, something like that. Doesn't really matter that much. But I want to show you that you got all sort of modifier that you can use, like a foreground color. You can make it like a really weird, like a red. Of course, you can even make a custom color. Okay, and you can even add a frame. And if you look here, frame, we got the minimum width, ideal width, max, minimum height, ideal height, all that. Okay, so yeah, you can do whatever you want essentially. Width 0, minimum width, max width, yeah, infinity. Yeah, you can do that. And you can add a background color. Okay, yellow and red. Yeah, that's really interesting color. And of course, you can just do dots. I believe you can say tilt, something like that. Okay, and you have in a certain shape, like a rectangle, something like that, have a specified corner radius, CG float, let me give you like a 20 dot style, rounded corner style, dot circular or continuous. Okay, you can use circular, you can use continuous. Yeah, that really depends on you, just a different style depending on you. And yeah, we got like a lot of options for you to choose from. Let's just add some opacity, and we got configuration, right? So when you actually pressed the button, okay, depending on whether you press or not, it can give you like a really opacity, or like no opacity at all. Okay, yeah. So you got like the custom button style, and you can add an extension. Sorry, it's a preview here. Extension of button style. Just extend the button style. If self equals to our custom button style, then execute static. This is just like extend a custom style and initialize it. Don't initialize it. That should suffice. Alright. Seems this is working. Print cannot. Print. Yeah, do not capitalize it. Yeah. Run this. Finger crossed. Finger crossed. It will work. Come on. Yeah, this is a very ugly one. This is my custom button, right? Some custom code. Let me modify this. Corner radius circular. If you don't want this like too abrupt, you can change it circular to continuous. Okay. Okay. Max minimum width. Maybe I'm going to add a little bit height. Corner radius. Max width. Okay, I'm gonna just delete whole thing until you give me something. Come on. Width and height. Yeah, it kind of just give you a certain width and height. Yeah, that's good. So let's try this. Okay, so we got like a specific width and height. Okay. So if you use continuous, it would not be something like this. So it will be continuous, so it's more rounded. If you use the circular, you see the difference. So it's not continuous. Okay, and you click this, become more transparent. Okay, so you can modify all this. Like depends on what do you want. Okay. Yeah, just a nice demo of how to extend this custom button. Okay. Okay, let me copy all that. I try to like write a blog or like ebook while I'm doing this streaming. So yep. So yeah, did someone actually look at my stream? I just saw that I got like 2 people, and oh yeah, must be some bug. There's just still 1 people. Oh my gosh. Hello. Well, welcome to the stream. Feel free to chat. Okay, feel free to chat and hang out. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much all about the button. We can change the style, change the label, and get the action. Okay, since we already got all this, like a lot of button here, right? Okay, can I make a app that demonstrates the button itself while it's like a self-contained app. Can I do something like this? Okay, can I just get some option out? yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I just read the documentation of border at the Apple's developer website. So let me just bring this to you. So it's here, right? All technology is SwiftUI and button. I'm going to check the button out. Right. I believe the website already got like a lot of detailed documentation, but I strongly recommend that you just do it yourself. Because this can greatly increase your understanding of this, because yeah, I'm using like a very stupid way of doing things, because I like to go through everything. Okay, go through everything, and just to get a hang of things before you actually let me add. You can check more on button at this website. Okay, comment out. Oh my gosh, why is that? Okay. Does this interfere with my code? Yeah. Yeah, I'm supposed to like hide this. My custom button, but the custom button seems to not enough height. Maybe add that to like 80. No, be better. Okay. Still, front width is a little bit expanded. Content standard. Okay. Just to look a little bit stupid when you it's much better. Make it 150. But my recommendation is do not hard code this. It's better just to leave it automatic. Yeah, something like that. Good. Okay, not make this red. Front color red will make it really. Main, something like that. And the background color. Okay, background color. That's not like too deep, but rather can make a specific color. Background will be gray, something like that. Yeah. Yeah, so you can change this. This is much better. And if you use like a really pure color, it will not be good. Okay, it will be something really to stand out. Okay, that's already pretty good. I believe we're finished with button, and yeah, pretty good. And I'm going to rest a little bit. Okay, since right now no one is watching, so I'm going to like do multiple stream in a day. Okay, and yeah, so this stream is about button. So next stream we're going to continue look at like we can actually make some functionality of the button, like you can edit it, you can rename it, just to execute a certain function of that button. Maybe talk about link. Yeah, because if you look at here, you kind of stack together, right? Button, right? Topic, yeah, view, button style, button, right? Button here. Edit, paste, rename button, yeah, all that, button row, button shape, behavior, and then we are going to talk about link. Okay, and slider, all that. So yeah, a long way to go. So okay, so already nearly an hour. I'm gonna rest a little bit, okay, and thanks, bye.